It's a great day for a drive in a 2022 Bronco in hot pepper red with black and gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a swing gate. This has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Now, you've seen this vehicle before, but we've just upgraded it with steps to get in, as well as a lift kit and new tires. It also has GOAT, goes over any terrain, management system, as well as a Sync 4 with an 8-inch screen, and that top can be removed very easily if you want to. It also has a backup camera and that nice spare tire in the rear. And stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside is a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. As well as power locks. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. You've got these new cab steps that make it easier to get in, and a grab handle. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your buck and bronc, as well as your cruise control and your volume setting. You also have hands-free dialing and your menu located there. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, any important messages will appear, and your odometer reading, and we can go into the menu. So my view, trip fuel, off-road, phone, audio, and settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have trail turn assist. So what this does is it locks the rear driver's side wheel and gives torque to the rear passenger wheel, and this allows you to do very tight turns or even donuts. So if you're on a trail or just want to have some fun, but don't do it on pavement. You got traction control, hazard lights, you've got our main screen here, little house at the top telling us that we're seeing our options. So right now we're in features, and we've got our owner's manual and driver assist. We also have our settings that we can slide through in, and you're seeing the different things. You can change the look of your display. You've got information about your vehicle, software updates, and so forth. And then we can go into the audio, and that'll give us the sources, which is the entertainment, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So the white lines are showing us the direction we're going if we continue to turn our steering wheel that way. Green, yellow, red is actual how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse, and that dotted line is your center line, and that's off the back bumper. So let's put us back into park, and then down below, volume and tuner, you have auto stop start for less idle time. You've got your fan, as well AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and then you've got your outlets here, USB, USB-C, little cubby to put items, and you've got your automatic select shifter. You've got this nice badge here which has got your VIN on it, and as well here is where your shifter for 4x4, your hill descent, and you've also got GOAT, goes over any terrain modes. So when you dial through on that, you're going to see them appear. So there's normal, eco, and I'm just dialing through sport, and you notice the icons change: slippery, sand, and then back around again. So as the road conditions change, and we're going to go into slippery here. Well, it's not, I guess I went through it before. So when you're going into the different options, they're slippery, sorry. It just shows you that if your road conditions are changing or if climate's changing, you can adapt. A couple of cup holders, and then you've got the side view mirrors, and you'll notice with the side view mirrors, they're attached to the vehicle, not the door. And that's because your doors come off. And you've got a toolkit that allows you to do that, and this is the controls for your windows, and that's also a lock as well. Your armrest opens up, and you've got storage in there, plus a 12-volt. And then off to the side, another grab handle for your passenger and the glove compartments down below. Manually dimming rear view mirror. You've got your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you've got the soft top roof, and it comes off, and you've got these clips here. I'm not going to do it today, but you unclip those and just fold it right back, and you can actually take that off and fold up the back as well, and you're ready to go. Tires and 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, new cab steps, and you also have a lift kit, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back, you've got the black handle for the swing gate, and you've got the soft top as well. You've got your spare tire there, and your backup camera's located just in the middle, and down below you have your tow hook. And then when we want to open up the door, just put your hand in, pull it open, and inside you've still got lots of room. Now this door opens about 150 degrees, so you have a bigger item to put in, more square really easy. All-weather mat on the floor. You've also got extra carpeted mats, and there's a little bin, a 12 volt, and a couple of lights. Now this pops open, so there's clips on either side. I'm just going underneath to show you here, and you would release those, and then you can flip it up, almost like a cabriolet top. So say you had a bigger item in the back and you needed some room for that, or you just wanted some fresh air, you could do that. And then when you want to close it, just swing it closed, and then you can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage in the door, as well as grab handle in the body. And they're seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab at the back of the seat, and you can also bring down the headrest simply by pushing the button, and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing extra carpeted mats, anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give the seat a push back into the upright position. Now if you've taken down the headrest, you just pop it back up. And then on the floor, nice all-weather mats, sun pockets on the back of the front seat. Now the doors come off on this vehicle, so you actually have the controls for the window located there. And I've got the sun in my eyes, sorry. You've also got the USB outlet, and up top, the nice soft roof, and that comes off too. Glass in the back windows, wheel flares, upgraded tires, cab steps, adjustable side view mirror, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.